Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel, y'all. This is my very first YouTube video that I'm recording, a video specifically to put on YouTube. I decided it's time for me to create my YouTube channel. And so here I am. If you don't know me, my name is International Inez, and I love all things travel. As you can see, I'm tripping. I stay tripping. I am a mindset and travel coach for women of color, and I help them specifically strategize so that they can make their dreams of Black travel happen. There's a huge Black travel movement going on, pandemic or not, and I just love helping people connect with the diaspora as a way of connecting more deeply with themselves. That's what I've been able to do with my life, and it has just been monumental. It's been so transforming. I own a company called It's Deeper Than Travel, specifically because the trips that I used to host, they used to be, way more focused on transformation through travel than just traveling for the fun of it. And even to this day, although I don't host trips anymore, the coaching that I do, the tips that I give, the strategies I have are all about how you can find ways to travel deeper so that your experiences are more meaningful to you and that they create new life in you. So this channel is going to be about a lot of things, but at the core, it's always going to be about transforming your life and transforming your life through travel, right? I plan to focus on mindset, which I don't think many travel creators focus on, and how, being more self-aware, doing the personal development, digging deep in understanding how your thoughts and your beliefs create your actions or your inactions and the results that you have in your life, specifically around travel. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about ways that you can make travel happen, whether you want to be in the United States, which is where I am today, or whether you want to be abroad, which is where I plan to be. We're going to talk about transitions in travel. So going from being a solo traveler, like I was probably 4 years ago, I used to travel everywhere by myself, or if I traveled in groups, I was going by myself to the group, to being a family traveler, which is what I'm doing these days because I have a husband and 2 children now. So that transition, how does that change? And what are some of the trips if you're traveling by yourself? What are some of the trips that you're traveling with a family? Those are some of the things that I'm learning now, and I plan to share with you all while I learn. We're going to talk about, moving abroad, because it's a great exodus happening in these here United States, because child, it's a new war order happening around here. I can't. So we're going to talk about that too. I'm planning to make some moves soon abroad with my husband and my children. So understanding what that looks like, what does it look like to uproot your family and take them somewhere for a certain amount of time or for indefinitely. I don't even know how to do that. I don't even know how to do that at this point. But as I learn, I will share that with you. You're also going to learn about, my life, the things that are happening in my life today, the things that have gotten me here, and just the things that I'm learning along the way. I really love to help, connect Black people with the diaspora. That is what my mission has been, to be a champion for the way, Black people experience each other globally, right? We have a lot of misconceptions about each other. We have a lot of stereotypes about each other. And I like to really just bring people together, right? Bring people together and create areas of understanding, right? And create areas of curiosity over judgment. So that's what we do's up in here. I hope that you will stay. There will be a lot of videos on here. Some of them that we will be recording here. Some of them I will be pulling from other places because there's a lot of information that I have already recorded. But I wanted to record this video specifically as my first video on my YouTube channel at International Inez on the YouTubes, okay? I used to spend a lot of time, posting on other social media platforms, but I realized I spend all of my time on YouTube because I am the Google queen and thus I am the YouTube queen. So I'm like, it just makes it easier for my life for me to just be on the tube. So here I am. I hope that you will join me. I look forward to talking to all of the people who are watching. Drop me some comments. Tell me the things you want to learn. We can talk about it. We can talk about international dating as well. As you can tell, well, actually, you don't even know. My husband is from Zimbabwe. This is his flag there. We met in South Africa. So we can talk about that too. We can talk about K1 visas. We can talk about, being a true 90-day fiance. We can talk about the things, all the things that have to do with, transforming your life through travel. So if that is what you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you send me some love as I start this journey. I am really excited about this. I feel like this is where I'm supposed to be. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon.